to maintain roads operable, roadworks have to take place. Nevertheless, sometimes road users can be surprised by unexpected lane changes or operating vehicles. In this scenario, the rider drives through a countryside and approaches a curve. The rider does not know that a roadworks zone is right ahead. But since the roadworks trailer and the motorcycle are communicating with each other using their V2X devices, a roadworks warning is displayed on the motorcycle. Thanks to the V2X application, the rider is aware of the hazard even before being able to see it. He can then safely pass the roadworks and continue his journey. The V2X application, Roadworks Warning, was designed to reduce the number of critical situations for vehicles and roadwork personnel, and thus to prevent accidents.